Okay, folks, this is your bonus round, okay? This is where we're going to roll down these high dollar auto dealers. If you can sell these cars, you can probably sell a jet plane. This is only for the top 20%, you know, you people who want to be the top performers in sales, okay? So let's go. All right, well, here we are at the Audi dealership, okay? Audi's a pretty car, like these flowers. All right. I don't know if I could go right up and see what the Audi is here. Let me check this out. Audis are nice cars. Yeah, so we're gonna go Audis here. Then we're gonna go to some more high dollar vehicles down there. What's this guy going for? $49,000. Okay. 49. Okay, there you go. That's actually not a bad price. Yeah, I got a Lexus here. This Lexus, let's see what this guy's going for here. Lexus, what do we got? 350, 17. I don't see a price on this guy. You don't even have a price on it. I guess you can't afford it if you can't see a price, right? It's got a lot of used cars. As I told you, used cars, you make more money on a commission than you make on the new cars. All right, we're on 111 by Rancho Mirage. So this is a really expensive part of town. Got some nice furniture stores here too. You could sell furniture on commission too, you know. Furniture doesn't pay as much as the car business for sure. I mean, I used to sell appliances, you know, $15,000 kitchens. You know, you're making some money, but way I got that, I told the Sears store manager I wanted to sell appliances for him. And he says, "What's your experience?" I said, "I sold cars." He goes, "Well, if you could sell a $60,000 vehicle, you could sell $15,000 worth of appliances for me." So that's how I got hired. Once you get proven, sales is like the pro sports business. Okay, now we're at Jaguar. Let's see what these guys got here. Yeah, it's like the pro sports business, statistically driven. The top salespeople, which is the top 20%, what happens once they prove themselves to sell, every time somebody comes in to looking for a car, guess who gets the lead? It's the top salesperson gets the lead. These are all Jaguars. Let's see if I can get up here. Flowers look nice today, even though it's 100 degrees out. Let's see, is there a price on this guy here for us? All right, what do we got here? $71,000. The heck is this? This is a Land Rover. Okay, that is a Land Rover. Oh wow, nice vehicle. 71 grand. Good commission. Now we're going to go over to the big dog, which is the Bentley. You want to sell? Alrighty, here we are right here. This is the Bentley here. Look at this guy. Let's see what this is a Bentley two-door. This is, $451,000 for the Bentley 26 MY Continental GTC Speed. $451,000. So if you're a big player, let me go right here. You want to be a big player, there you go. There's a Bentley right there. Look at these babies right here. $400,000 cars. This is as much as a house is out here. Wow. That is amazing. $400,000, get yourself a Bentley. That is beautiful. Look at that. Hey, how we doing? Then we're going to go to the Lamborghini Aston Martin shop over here. Look at this. You really want to set your hair on fire, man. Look at this. There's a McLaren. I don't even know if you're going to have a price on this baby for us. Rancho Mirage McLaren. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, just a mere $428,000. Nice. Okay. Look at that baby. Whoa. That is hot. Rolls Royce. So what's a Rolls Royce? What kind of commission you think you're making on this baby, huh? Oh, that's $575,000 for a Rolls Royce. This is for the top 20% of you salespeople that you think you guys can sell. Oh, here's the first car I ever rode in. 57 Chevy. My dad slammed my hand in this car door. He had one of these back in the day when you get it for like 2,500 bucks, brand new. Beautiful Corvette. Oh, sweet. This is a Lamborghini at, oh, this is only 394,000. Or no, 304. Okay. That's a used 2020. Wow, look at these cars, man. This is amazing. This is an Aston Martin convertible. Look at this baby. And that is, let me get on this side here. Beautiful. Look at this guy. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So you big players, if you could sell one of these, you could probably sell a jet plane. 365 for the Aston Martin. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is the Aston Martin dealership. A Lambo. I had the secretary from the Lambo come to my store. $822,000 for this Lamborghini. Wow. That is spectacular. Wow. And she bought a little Lamborghini Matchbox car. Here's another Lambo. Wow. Ooh, oh, I'm losing track here. Hang on here, dogs. This one here, 834. Wow. This is Lambo land here. 709. You get this one, it's a 2025. Look at these cars, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Look at the colors on these guys, huh? That is just utter beauty right there. And now we got a little Rolls Royce here for the real big dogs of the show. If you could sell one of these, wow. Let's see, what's that going for? Oh, that's only 704. That's a 2026 Phantom. All right. Wow. There's a Lambo SUV. Look at these guys. Rolls here. Another Rolls, a smaller guy. Wow, just amazing what they got here. These are Rolls SUVs. Let me see what this Rolls SUV will set you back. $556,000 for a Rolls Black Badge Cullinan. Wow, that is unbelievable. These cars are just spectacular here. What a dealership, huh? You got a job in here, man. You'd have to be the top gun in your sales at your store. I don't know what you'd have to do to prove to these guys that you could sell these cars. Look at these Lambos here. This is beautiful, right? Unbelievable that these guys, Aston Martin here, and we're at the Rancho Mirage. All right, and he's got a few of them back there. Guess what happens back there too? Is they have a service department. Remember I told you? They service Bentleys, Aston Martins, Rolls Royce. See that right there? McLarens. Being I'm Italian, we have the Ferrari 296 GTS. Let's see what this baby's going for. We are at $465,000. Okay. Wow. Look at this baby. Wow. This is the ultimate Big Daddy vehicle. My gosh, wow. Oh, then here's that Ferrari Spider, which is $830,000. I can get a nice house for that. Oh, we got some older Ferraris here. Look at that baby. This is a, wow. Oh. 1988. There's a classic. Wow. Look at that. 1988. Ferrari 328 GTS back in the 70s. Hey, how you doing? That's not for sale, is it? Is it? Now, in case you're really wanting to race, here is the 2020 488 Challenge Evo. Wow, for $249,000. That is beautiful, man. Hey, how you doing? I'm just shooting a video for my channel for all your exotic cars here, and I'm Italian, so I had to stop in here.
Okay, well, this is a good place to go then.
You know, back in the 70s, I almost bought a Ferrari back when you could buy them for like maybe 15, 20 grand, you know? Yeah. Not anymore, I see, right? Beautiful showroom though, my friend. Yeah. Wow, look at this is now, we're at the Ferrari of Rancho Mirage, and this guy here is $400,000 for 296 GTB. And then what is a top salesman make in this kind of cars here?
Sure.
A couple $100 grand a year maybe? I used to sell Toyota Lexus. I know they were making like 100, the top 20 percenters, but in here you could probably get up there if you're top.
Could, I guess, if you sold them enough, right?
That's what I'm doing in here. Because I used to sell cars, I'm doing the same, I'm posting up a best job to get, you know, to make yourself 100 grand plus on YouTube is going to be either a car salesman or a service writer, one of those two, or getting the finance, right?
Yeah, finance. Yeah.
That's the money. All right, thanks, my friend. I'll see you. Bye-bye. All righty. We're at the Ferrari dealership here. Oh, I didn't even look at this guy here. Let me go with this one. I'm giving Ferrari extra special time because I'm Italiano. Big L, Coach Big L Fitty. All right. Oh, I don't have a price on this because this is a Spider. Okay, it must be an older Spider. There you go. There's all my cars here. Okay, there you go, folks. You want to be a big dog car salesman? This is a place you want to go. You want to do the high dollar cars. Talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.